y'all are having a great 4th of July. We're going to go swimming, have some great food, and hopefully some fireworks. We shall see, but they're calling for rain, unfortunately. Can you guys see these clouds? Anyways, we will see what happens. I am going to spend a couple hours on my raft, enjoy the sun. I think it's about to peek out again. See, it's coming out. Hopefully it stays out. There's my raft right there. They're calling for rain today, but hopefully it will stay past long enough for us to go swimming and for the fireworks tonight. We will see. and he's dipping out the potato salad. We have baked beans, we have barbecue chicken, and a couple desserts, and we've got homemade ice cream going on down here. It's taken a little while for that to churn up because it is so warm today, but we are about to enjoy our food. There is my son shooting off fireworks in the middle of the street. He's walking to his truck. He just shot off one great big one, and it scared me to death. But we are going to try to go to the fireworks this evening. But as you can see, I'm waving at him. I think he sees me. As you can see, it looks like rain, and it's thundering outside, so there may not be any fireworks. So we're on our way to the fireworks, and lo and behold, it is pouring down the rain and thundering and lightning.
And to step out there and be able to see it when he lights it.
Here, how about you do it?
Why?
I'm scared of them.
Why?
Because I am. Move your face away from it.
Y'all get back. Hey, boy, needs to go home.
You and your family had a wonderful, blessed day. My kids are outside right now shooting off a massive amount of fireworks. I'm the lady on the block screaming, "Boys, I am not going to the ER tonight, so you better do it right." But anyways, we had great food today. We had great fun in the pool, but we had a massive storm come through, and we got washed out for the regular fireworks and the festivities that our town would have had, which was a real bummer because I was hoping to film it and hoping to show you guys, because where we live they always do fantastic fireworks, and I was really hoping to capture that. But unfortunately, when we actually, right when we left the house to go to fireworks, if you are on my Instagram, you would have seen pictures of me sitting in the car going, on my way to fireworks, and it is pouring down the rain. We did look up on the little weather app on our phone and noticed that at the time that the actual fireworks were scheduled, another storm front was coming in, and we were going to get wiped out. People was leaving the park. They were getting in their cars. They were going home. They knew it was hopeless. Everybody was drenched. It was kind of hard not to get drenched. I mean, it poured down the rain to the point that we almost couldn't even see to drive home. It was coming down so hard. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more future vlogs. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.